I'm here partly because of a little white woman, a little nun in second grade I still stay in touch with. You know why? Because she did two things. One, she did not pity my circumstance. She knew my parents worked two jobs to make ends almost meet. I wore hand-me-downs. I had none of those Super Friends lunch boxes. I carried my egg sandwiches in a Wonder Bread bag. She saw what that did for her is it created urgency, not pity. She didn't pobrecito me. She didn't bless his heart. She didn't bubble wrap me. She said, education's the great equalizer. This kid, while he's got great parents, has got there's some deficits here, right? There's some experiences he's lacking. I've got to make sure he gets there with urgency. She didn't come from her side of town and feel like she was doing us a favor in the hood. She came there with purpose.